How to change Play Store country or region to United States. Open your Play Store app, tap on the profile icon at the top, tap on Settings, tap on General, go to Account and Device Preference. Here on the country and profile, you will see Switch to your particular country Play Store. It's mentioned here that you can only change your Play country if you move to a new country. So let's go ahead and try a lesser or known hack for this. Download a VPN or use a VPN that you have already installed. Then right here you have to go ahead and select a region related to your United States. So as you can see, I have a lot of France options here. At the bottom I can see options of United States such as New York. So I'll go ahead and select anyone from this. Now wait until your VPN is successfully connected. Now once it is connected, head back from here and open your Play Store and refresh it. Then again tap on the profile icon, go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Account and Device Preference. And if you check it out right now, you will see under Country and Profile, it says Switch to the United States Play Store. Isn't it a cool hack? So go ahead and definitely give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.